Narrator: what if I told you that a single house could cost more than the entire lifetime earnings of 1,000 people combined? These are not just homes, they are statements, symbols of ultimate wealth. And today, we're diving into the world of the most expensive homes ever built. Stay with me, because what you're about to see will redefine your idea of luxury, and maybe even your financial goals. Narrator: let's kick things off with a home that lets you live like a king, literally floating above Monaco, the playground of the ultra-rich. The Odeon Tower penthouse is worth $400 million. Why? Because when you have a rooftop infinity pool with a private slide that lets you soar over the Mediterranean, price tags become irrelevant. But here's the real question. If you had $400 million, would you spend it on an apartment? Or would you invest it? At that price, the least they could do is throw in unlimited room service, right? Narrator: now let's step into history. Villa Leopolda isn't just a house. It's a 50-acre French Riviera estate that once belonged to a king. And get this, it requires over 50 full-time gardeners just to maintain the landscaping. But here's the twist. It was almost bought by a Russian billionaire until he backed out at the last minute and lost a $50 million deposit. Imagine losing $50 million just because you changed your mind. Makes that $5 Starbucks regret look a little silly, doesn't it? Narrator: and now, let's talk about the most controversial home on our list, Antilia, a 27-story skyscraper in Mumbai, built by one of the richest men in the world, Mukesh Ambani. It's worth $2 billion, and it's just for one family. Now, here's the shocking part. Outside this mansion, poverty is everywhere. Some call it an architectural masterpiece, others call it a billion-dollar guilt trip. What do you think? Narrator: okay, let's turn up the heat. Buckingham Palace is technically not for sale, but if it were, experts say it would be worth $5 billion. That's $20,000 per square foot. Now, I don't know about you, but if I'm paying $5 billion for a house, I at least want a guarantee that there's no waiting list for breakfast in the morning. But believe it or not, this isn't the most expensive home in the world. That title belongs to something even crazier. Narrator: there's one home so exclusive, its price is a mystery. The ultra-luxurious Billionaires Row penthouse in New York was purchased by a mystery buyer for an estimated $250 million plus, making it the most expensive home ever sold in the US. Now, here's the thing. The world's wealthiest people don't just buy homes. They buy assets. And that's the real lesson here. Wealth isn't about spending, it's about strategic investing. Narrator: so, what can you take away from this? The ultra-rich think long-term. They put their money in places where it grows. And one of the most powerful wealth-building tools they use? Compounding. And lucky for you, I've made a video explaining exactly how it works and how you can use it to build wealth starting today. Click on it now and I'll see you there.